Okay. Manuel consumes only apples and bananas. He prefers more apples to less, but he gets tired of bananas. If he consumes fewer than 17 bananas per week, uh, he thinks that one banana is a perfect substitute for one apple, but you would have to pay him one apple for each banana beyond 17 that he consumes. Okay, so till 17 bananas, he likes bananas. Okay, so apple jitna de do, he prefers apples, more apples to less. So apples are always a good, but he gets tired of bananas. So he likes bananas a little bit. After some point, he's like, I don't want any more bananas. Okay, if he consumes fewer than 17 bananas per week, he thinks that one banana is a perfect substitute for one apple. Okay, so till 17 bananas, he's like, let's say he is consuming 15 bananas and 10 apples. Okay, so you could as well put him on 9 apples and 16 bananas. Okay, so you give him one banana, you take one apple from him, so that's okay. You can as well do a trade like 11 apples and 14 bananas with him, because right now he's considering apples and bananas as perfect substitutes. But you would have to pay him one apple for each banana beyond 17. So if you cross 17, so this would also be indifferent to 10 apples, so 8 apples and 17 bananas. But beyond that, if you want to go beyond that, you have to give him one extra apple in order to feed him one more banana. So then this would be indifferent to 9 apples and 18 bananas. Okay, so that's the idea. 17 से ज़्यादा अगर bananas खिलाने उसको, तो तुमको उसको apples से compensate करना पड़ेगा. You'll have to compensate this guy with apples. The indifference curve that passes through the consumption bundle with 25 apples and 26 bananas also passes through the bundle with A apples and 11 bananas. Okay, so that's the idea. So you have this bundle 25, 26. This is indifferent to some bundle with A amount of apples and 11 units of bananas. Okay, so first of all, let's compare what is it indifferent to in terms of A prime and 17 bananas. So if you reduce the number of bananas from 26 to 17, which is you are doing a reduction in bananas by how much? By 9 units. You are reducing the number of bananas by 9 units. Okay, so remember that when you are talking about this entire region is greater than 17 bananas. Okay, so when you are talking about more than 17 bananas, bananas become a bad. So if you are reducing the bananas from 26 to 17, you can also reduce the number of apples by the same amount. So A prime becomes equal to 16. Okay, so you are going to be indifferent between 25, 26 and 16, 17. Beyond 16, 17, every added banana needs to be compensated by added apple. Okay, so that's how if you reduce the number of bananas by 9, you can reduce the number of apples by 9. Okay, but in this territory where the number of apples are less than 17, bananas are now a good. Okay, so if you want to reduce the number of bananas by 6, you need to increase the number of apples by 6. Okay, so now he likes bananas. So once you get him to 17 bananas and you want to further remove bananas from his diet, you need to compensate him with apples. So if you are reducing 6 bananas, you need to give him 6 more apples. So adding 6 more apples gives him 22 apples. Okay, so 22, 26 is 22, 11 is indifferent to 25, 26. So the answer is going to be B.